Hello, I'm Zoya. Hello, everyone. Today I'll be talking about how Agentia makes n8n automation much easier for non technical teams. Many businesses want to automate repetitive work, but setting up automation tools like n8n can feel overwhelming if you don't have a technical background. That's where Agentia comes in. It acts as an AI assistant that helps users create and manage n8n workflows using simple, everyday language instead of complicated technical steps. Before we look at Agentia, let's quickly understand what N8N is. N8N is an automation platform that connects different applications and services so they can work together automatically. For example, when someone fills out a contact form on your website, N8N can automatically send an email, update your CRM, and notify your team. The challenge is that building these workflows usually requires understanding things like APIs, JSON, triggers, and workflow logic. For someone without a technical background, that can be difficult and time-consuming. This is where Agentia simplifies the entire process. Instead of building workflows manually, users simply describe what they want in plain English. For example, they can say, when a customer submits a form, send them a welcome email and notify the sales team. Agentia then suggests the right workflow, configures many of the settings automatically, helps test everything, and finally prepares it for deployment. So instead of worrying about technical details, users can focus on their business goals. Let's compare the traditional approach with Agentia. With traditional N8N, users often need technical knowledge, manually connect nodes, troubleshoot errors, and rely on developers. With Agentia, users simply explain what they want. The AI recommends the right nodes, helps configure them, provides guidance when something goes wrong, and allows business users to build workflows on their own. This means automation becomes faster, easier, and accessible to more people. This slide highlights the difference even more clearly. Normally, creating workflows involves building every step manually, configuring APIs, and spending time debugging issues. With Agentia, most of these tasks are guided or automated. Users describe their workflow, Agentia suggests the setup, helps solve problems, and makes it possible to build working automations in hours instead of weeks. This saves both time and effort. So why is Agentia especially useful for non-technical teams? First, it's simple to use because no coding is required. Second, workflows can be generated quickly using natural language. It also provides consistent results, reduces the need for developer support, fixes issues faster, and gives teams confidence that they're building automation correctly. Overall, it allows business teams to work independently without waiting for technical resources. There are several benefits of using Agentia with N8N. It saves time by automating repetitive setup tasks. It reduces costs because businesses don't always need developers for every workflow. It improves accuracy by catching configuration mistakes early. It increases confidence through guided support. And finally, it helps organizations scale automation as their business grows. Here are some real-world examples of how businesses can use Agentia with N8N. It can automatically enrich and score leads for sales teams. It can extract invoice information, send customer notifications, and manage approval processes. It also helps with routing support tickets, processing documents, generating reports, synchronizing data between applications, sending follow-up messages, and creating AI-powered assistants. These are everyday business tasks that can be automated without requiring deep technical knowledge. Looking ahead, automation will continue becoming smarter. Future improvements include voice-controlled workflows, multilingual support, smarter AI suggestions, predictive automation, deeper analytics, and collaboration between multiple AI agents. The goal is to make automation even more intelligent and easier for everyone to use. To conclude, N8N is a powerful automation platform, but it can be challenging for people without technical expertise. Agentia bridges that gap by making workflow creation simple, guided, and accessible through AI. This allows businesses to automate faster, reduce manual work, and improve productivity without depending heavily on developers.